What's up, kinfolk? The Super Bowl coming up, so we're kicking off our biggest The Super Bowl series with a recipe that's just this big: high honey mustard wings. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need chicken wings, mustard, Dijon mustard, mayo, honey, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, and smoked paprika. Begin by adding a tablespoon of hot sauce to the chicken. Next, season the wings with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Now it's time to double fry the wings. Fry them for 7 to 8 minutes at 325 degrees. Then up the temp to 375 degrees and fry again for 3 to 4 minutes until crispy. For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, add a half cup of mayo, a 4 cup of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard and give it a mix. Add a 4 cup of hot sauce. Add a 4 cup of honey. Finish it off with a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix it all together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes so that the flavors meld and the sauce thickens a bit. Sauce the wings. Give them a toss. And that's it. High honey mustard wings. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you want more recipes that's big as the Super Bowl, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.